when I was doing GYN oncological procedures like radical hysterectomies and pelvic exonerations, it was absolute necessity to clean the colon. I used to do my own cleaning because frequently preparations were not adequate, and I'd find out in the operating room at which was too late to re-clean it. So I would, prior to operating and the night before, I would go in and make sure that my patients had adequate colon cleansing. One of the procedures, we actually used the descending colon to make a bladder during this procedure. So to open the colon during an operation, the colon had to be clean, you know, to minimize the contamination of the surgery. And that was one of the reasons why I am so familiar with the necessity of cleaning the colon.
But how did that, so how did you know that that led to just sort of just a broader general sense of application to good health as used as an alternative method to prevent?
Well, it makes sense to get rid of all of the waste in the body, not just at surgery time. You know, we need to eliminate the waste of the body. Colon hydrotherapy is a method of removing all the waste from the large colon. And the colon is what I consider our garbage can. It needs to be emptied. You know, in the kitchen, you need to empty the garbage to make sure that there's not an odor and contamination in the preparation for food in your kitchen. It needs to be done on a regular basis, you know, thoroughly, because you'll find a kitchen that is stuffy, you know. So it applies to the body. That your lower colon is your garbage can. It needs to be cleansed and emptied.
Does it get reabsorbed back into the body if it's not cleansed?
Absolutely. You know, the colon contains the waste. The waste is inside of the closed colon. Vascularity, the veins, the lymphatic vessels encase the colon. So naturally there's diffusion of the waste into the venous system and the lymphatic system over and over and over and over. You know, so if you remove most of that waste, then you remove most of the toxins, and there's less for your venous system to pick up and carry through your whole body over and over and over again. You know, you feel so much better.